In just 60 days, I transformed this YouTube Shorts channel into this impressive amount of money. Curious how I pulled it off? Stay tuned to see exactly how I did it and uncover the results. In my previous video, I revealed the secrets behind skyrocketing with Would You Rather Shorts and how you can cash in on them. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure to check the link in the description below. This video will show you not only how I set up the channel, but also how I automated the entire process using my code, turning it into a source of passive income. Plus, I'll reveal the exact results and the key lessons I learned along the way. Let's dive in. After seeing the success of the Would You Rather Shorts, I decided to take things a step further and start my own YouTube Shorts channel. But instead of creating each video manually, I wanted to see if I could automate the entire process. I used MoviePie to write a Python script that automates uploads, handling everything from stitching images to adding text and audio. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds boring and way too technical. But wait, don't click off just yet. I promise, I won't bore you with the nitty-gritty coding details. Instead, let's dive into how this automation made my life easier and helped me generate consistent content with minimal effort. By automating the process, I was able to focus on the bigger picture, growing the channel, analyzing what worked, and tweaking the strategy as I went along. And trust me, the results were worth it. For the next 60 days, I set a goal to upload 2 to 5 YouTube Shorts daily. Consistency was key, and with my automated setup, I could maintain a steady stream of content without burning out. Here's how the process worked. Each day, my Python script would generate a batch of videos based on preset themes and prompts. The script pulled images, added text, synced up voiceovers, and packaged everything into a finished video. It was like having a virtual assistant who never sleeps. Once the videos were ready, I scheduled them for upload, making sure to space them out throughout the day to maximize engagement. I also paid close attention to analytics, tweaking the content strategy as I went along to see what resonated best with the audience. This routine not only saved me time, but also allowed me to test different types of content and optimize the channel's performance over time. By the end of the 60 days, I had a solid understanding of what worked, what didn't, and how to replicate the success in future projects. After 60 days of running the channel and seeing the results, I decided it was time to sell. Initially, I listed the channel on a popular platform for buying and selling digital assets, hoping to get a decent offer. But despite the solid performance metrics, the listing didn't attract much interest. That's when a friend of mine stepped in. He was more interested in learning the process than making money, so when he offered me $150 for the channel, I agreed. Along with the channel, I handed over the Python script and walked him through the automation process. For him, it was less about the immediate return and more about gaining insight into how automated content creation could work. In the end, it was a win-win situation. He got a hands-on learning experience, and I successfully passed on the project to someone eager to continue it. To sum it up, running this YouTube Shorts channel for 60 days taught me a lot about automation, content strategy, and the power of passive income. By leveraging tools and coding, I was able to streamline the content creation process and consistently deliver engaging shorts. The channel grew to over 8,000 subscribers and garnered more than 250,000 views in just 2 months. Even though I sold the channel for $150, it was absolutely worth it. Considering that everything was automated and I didn't have to do much after the initial setup, it turned out to be a great return on investment. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Your support helps keep these projects going, and I can't wait to share more tips and insights with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.